Hello everyone, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you just a quick demo of the WordPress plugin. Um, so the concept about the plugin is you target many long tail keywords, and each of these keywords have like little to no competition and have some little traffic. Alright, so if you try to do this manually, it will take you hours for because you're gonna need to target like 100 keywords or even 500 keywords. Alright, so it will take you like forever to create all of these articles, build backlinks for all of these 500 keywords. But with this plugin, what it do is you just come in, enter your main keyword or your main niche, and the plugin will go out and find long tail keywords, start scrapping content to make it unique. So it's more rankable for Google, right? And start scheduling these posts to be posted on your blog and start building backlinks for each one, right? So it's all in one plugin. I'm gonna show you right here. As you can see, we have the simple mode and the advanced mode. And in the simple mode, all you have to do is just enter your keyword. For example, I'm gonna type here something very simple like how to play golf. Hit search, and it's gonna go out and grab some long tail keyword, and you can even dig deeper in these keywords if you want. But just for this example, I'm gonna use this, and you can look around and maybe like if you want to remove one of them, like how to play golf YouTube, I don't want this one, and how to play golf video, don't want this one, solitaire, um, not this one, not this one, any of this. Hit generate, and what's gonna happen now is the plugin gonna go out, grab some content for each one of those keywords, and make a post and schedule one to be posted each 6 hours. All right, uh, as simple as that. It's very simple. You just enter your main keyword, it generate long tail keyword, and you start making posts and backlinks. All right, I'm gonna cancel this right now and head to the advanced mode. Okay, so now we are back in the advanced mode, and the advanced mode is just gonna give you more option. All right, it's the same concept, but it's gonna give you more options. So, for example, I'm gonna type in how to play golf, and you can specify how many posts you want. So, for example, I want like 50 posts, I want one post. For this example, I'm gonna just write 4, and you can select the content source from Wikipedia or Easy article. So I'm gonna pick Easy article here, and if you want these posts to be posted now, all of them, or scheduled every, and you can set here maybe every 2 hours, every 24 hours, so one post a day, every 48 hours, right? Whatever you want. So I'm gonna just leave it at 12 hour, right? And you can also just send them to draft maybe if you want to make some edits on them. I'm gonna just schedule one post every 12 hour, and I want to include a video in in the post. You can uncheck this, and I want to post to social media, which is a backlink. It's social bookmarking and social media posts, and you can include promotional links. I'm gonna explain this in just a minute, and you can specify if you want the content to be spin or not, and you can specify these posts to a specific category. So for example, I have this category right here, just one, and I'm gonna need to post them right here. And if I hit search, the software as a plugin gonna start scrapping long tail keyword, making unique content, finding videos to post, and start posting it to social media. All right. So let me explain how the backlinks works and the promotional links. So what you need to do is just go to the setting here, and you just need to set this just one time, and after that you're done. First, promotional link is a link where you make money. All right. So for example, this can be a um, ClickBank affiliate link, CBA affiliate link, maybe e-commerce store, squeeze page, whatever you want to promote. All right. So for example, I'm going to type here google.com, and now the plugin gonna include this link each time I post, if I of course if I check this option. And the good thing is I can add another one, maybe facebook.com, and the plugin gonna rotate between all of them, twitter.com, right? And it just stay with Twitter. I think Twitter needs just a bit more traffic, so we're gonna help them with this, all right? And next is the backlinks. So the backlinks is we built you or you syndicate each post to all of these social media accounts. So we post to Tumblr, Facebook, WordPress, Delicious, and Twitter. All you need to do is just come here, enter your information. You need to do this just one time, like here Tumblr, Facebook, WordPress, Delicious, Twitter account, hit update, and all you're done, alright? Each time the plugin gonna post a new post, it's gonna syndicate it to all of these social media and social bookmarking sites, alright? And because you're targeting a very low competition keywords, ranking using all these backlinks is very, very, very possible, alright? So this is everything about the plugin. If you have any question, feel free to send me a message and I'm gonna make sure to help you out, right? Thanks for watching.